In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a call button on Google My Business. This is a quick but really important update you can make, because that little call button on your Google Business profile is often how new customers reach you for the very first time. If your phone number isn't added or isn't correct, you could be missing out on calls without even realizing it. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and go to Google, just like you normally would. In the search bar, type the exact name of your business as it appears on your Google Business profile. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that manages your business, because the editing options will only appear for the account that owns the profile. Once the search results load, you should see your business panel appear, usually on the right side of the screen on desktop or at the top on mobile. This is the area where you'll find all of your management tools, like editing your business details, reading reviews, and so on. At the top of that panel, look for the option that says Edit Profile and click on it. When you click Edit Profile, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you can update various pieces of information about your business. In that pop-up, you'll see different tabs or sections. Look for the one labeled Contact and switch to that tab. Inside the Contact tab, find the section labeled Phone Number. Click on it, and it will expand to show more options. You should now see a drop-down field where you can choose your country code, as well as a text field where you can type in your phone number. Start by selecting the correct country code from the drop-down list. This is important so that people calling from outside your area can still reach you properly. After selecting the country code, click into the phone number field and type in your business phone number carefully. Double check that the number is correct, especially if you're copying it from somewhere else. Once you've entered the correct number and confirmed the country code, look for the Save button and click it. Google will apply your changes and your business profile will now include that phone number. And that's it. Once the update processes, your Google Business profile will display a call button, making it easier for customers to contact you directly with a single tap or click.